Hey, this is Gushagra from FlexyPe. One of the most common questions which we receive is how do I set up cash on delivery or partial cash on delivery with FlexyPe? The good news is that the setup is pretty straightforward. There are four key areas that needs to be configured correctly, and in this guide we'll walk through each one step by step to make sure your COD or partial COD setup works exactly as expected. Let's get started. First option that will open is shipping. Go to your profile, open the rate, and check this option, accept cash on delivery. You can also enter your COD charges here. Once this is correct, you can click on save and it will show active under the COD bar. Also, make sure that you haven't uploaded any CSV file for non-serviceable pin codes. So if there is any CSV with some pin codes in it, it will block COD for those particular pin codes. Moving to the next section, that is customizations. Here, navigate to payments, and at the bottom you will see the COD option and an eye icon. If you click this, it will disable COD. It will not show COD on the end screen. So make sure this is visible, and also make sure that partial COD is visible as well here. So if these both options are visible and your partial COD is enabled from the RTO suite that we'll discuss, then these both options will be visible at the end of the screen, end of the payments flow. Next, let's go to the RTO suite. Here are numerous options that you can choose from so that you have the maximum control over RTOs and you can minimize them. Let's open one rule and edit this. You can see you can enable COD or enable partial COD based on the requirement, and this goes for all the 8 options. Let's open some more. All the options. And the last option, the last menu that you have to open and check is coupons. Sometimes we make coupons that we disable for COD. So on the usage limits screen, you will find this particular option. If this is enabled, COD will not be applied on that order. And let's say this is automatic, then an automatic coupon will be applied without the user entering the code, and it will make the order as non-eligible for COD. So please make sure of that. That's it. That is how you will see if COD is enabled for your order or for your product or not, and that's how easy and straightforward it is. Thank you.